Reflection on here is okay. I see it now. All I can see is my face. Okay. All those reflections are bad.
Are you on record?
Yes, sir. I'm losing you.
I'll slow down for you.
Yeah, it's way too fast for this. Listen, man, I'm gonna put my glasses on. There, that's better. Okay, now you can give her.
Something I want to check. There's something I need to check. I still got a leak, but let that drain out. Where's that coming from? That's a big leak too.
Yeah, you took on a lot of water.
Okay. Ready?
We're ready. You getting that dark water over there in the shade? I lose you, eh?
We're over here.
No, I got my glasses on now. I can see better.